Yes, it is cold heading out the door. Maybe you're traveling this weekend, heading out to the airports, still trying to unwind from the winter weather that we've had to deal with here all week. Things finally getting back to normal, hopefully, at the airports here for today. Going to have some travel issues heading farther east. We'll talk more about that in just a moment as well. But 30 degrees taking you out to DFW right now. Those northwest winds at 13. Put that wind chill at 20 out there for you this morning. So, yes, it is cold all around for you this morning. We're looking at low 30s and upper 20s getting out to Rockwall. You're at 30 right now, along with Wiley. 31 coming back over to Arlington. But then as we get out to Decatur, you're at 25, 23 in Chico, and 26 we're down to heading out to Denton here this morning. Now, as we go through the day today, we'll see those temperatures on the chilly side for us, mid-upper 40s. So it's going to be a colder day today. Here comes that next push of Arctic air, though, moving over the Red River later today and for tonight. That's going to drop those temperatures down into the upper teens to low 20s for tomorrow. Maybe even some low middle teens in our northeastern counties. 13 in Paris, 15 that overnight low heading into tomorrow morning. As you get up along the Red River, those low middle teens, and Denton tomorrow morning, you'll be right around 17. Factor in those winds that will be brisk out of the north and that 10-20 mile per hour range. We'll be down in the single digits with that feels like temperature in some locations, especially north of Dallas and Fort Worth for tomorrow. Heading out to McKinney, maybe as cold as 4 above with that feels like temperature. Heading out to Greenville, you see Terrell and Canton in the single digits perhaps for tomorrow morning as well. And we're talking lower single digits perhaps in a few places for tomorrow morning. Now, as we go through the day today, we'll have some high clouds mixed in with the sunshine. If you are doing some traveling today, heading down I-35, we'll have those temperatures mid-upper 50s for San Antonio. We won't get out of the 30s heading out toward Oklahoma City. And look at all that cold air spilling into Nashville at 30 degrees. And look at the cold weather alerts. Now, we do have the cold weather advisory for us through Sunday morning, but look a little farther east. We do have the extreme cold warning across portions of the deep south, all the way down into Florida, into the Carolinas. They also have a winter storm warning in effect. They could get as much as half a foot of snow as we get into the weekend through portions of the Carolinas. So you see that wintry weather all the way up into the northeast. So that Arctic air spreading out over portions of the deep south, and that does include us here for the weekend. We'll have those upper teens tomorrow morning, those wind chills down in the single digits, and we may not get above freezing as we get into Saturday afternoon. So yes, it is going to be a cold one, very much so as we get into Sunday as well. We'll be right around 20 degrees, maybe 22 on Sunday morning. Temperatures do begin to recover pretty quickly, though. On Sunday, we'll be back up around 50 with plenty of sunny skies. So it does begin to warm up, and then early next week, looking at that 14-day forecast, we'll be around 61 on Monday, so that's going to feel kind of nice. 33 Monday morning, and some rain chances, it looks like, on Tuesday, with those temperatures cooling down slightly the middle of the week, but by the end of next week, heading into the following weekend, we'll be back into those mid-60s once again.